If you are a beginning multifamily or commercial real estate investor, you know that success comes from finding a niche that will give you a real competitive advantage. But what if I tell you that the largest opportunity today in real estate investing isn't some hidden secret? It is, in fact, a massive, a very large demographic shift that's happening right now before your eyes that's unlocking trillions of dollars of assets. So today we're going to discuss the great retirement of the baby boomer generation, and it's creating an entry point for investors just like you, the beginning investor. This is what I call again the real estate shift you can't ignore. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you what this baby boomer opportunity is. I'm going to go over the scale of the opportunity. It is huge. It is in the trillions of dollars. And I'm going to share with you why now. Why now for you, and why now for these types of sellers. And lastly, I'm going to give you 3 strategies for the beginning investor of how to find the best deals and the best sellers. Got it? All right. So if you have any questions for me whatsoever at any time, feel free to text me, text Peter to 833-942-4516, and I'll get right back at you. First, let's discuss how big this all is. Baby boomers have been the economic engine in this country for decades. And as they age and retire, guess what they're doing? They're selling their assets and getting out and enjoying the rest of their lives. Thus, the opportunity. Look at this graph with me. Let's say that this entire circle includes all of the real estate in the US, okay? All of it. So every single family home, apartment building, office buildings is within the circle. Guess what? Baby boomers own 41% of everything in the US. And that amounts to about $20 trillion in real estate. Okay, huge. And these are the guys and gals that are exiting the business. Again, hence the opportunity. Look at this interesting fact here. Okay. By the way, this information comes from the Federal Reserve data. You can look it up. All right, here's an interesting fact. According to NAR, which is the National Association of Realtors, 53% of all buyers of all transactions in the US are baby boomers. Over half of every single transaction is done, more than half is done by baby boomers. Now, I'm not just talking single family homes, okay? I'm talking multifamily, retail, mobile home parks, storage, etc. All the commercial property types, this is included, okay? So the conclusion is baby boomers are the market. Got it? All right. So next, what I want to share with you is why they are selling. Ever wondered how pro investors find and analyze deals for maximum profit? How to secure financing even if you're a beginner? Or attract and keep tenants for steady passive income? Commercial Real Estate for Beginners delivers simple, actionable steps to master it all. Tap the link on the top corner for your free copy today. All right, so why is this happening now? Why today? So I want to share with you why they're selling, okay? Well, I just explained to you what the boomer effect was, right? That was they own 40% of all real estate, 53% of all transactions are attributed to boomers, and they own $20 trillion in real estate holdings, okay? Everything, all real estate. And they're selling because what we call the silver tsunami effect, okay? Silver meaning gray hair, okay? Silver tsunami effect. They are basically ready for change. They're ready to cash out and move on to the next level of their life. They worked hard, and now it's time to bear the fruits of their labor and timing. 3 reasons why they are exiting the business. Number 1 is retirement, okay? They are done managing their property, managing the management, dealing with toilets and broken windows and tenants and property managers and all that. They're ready to move on. Number 2 is lifestyle, okay? They are ready to cash out, spend time with the grandkids, travel like they've never done before, and just enjoy their fruits of all the hard work and managing their properties. Thirdly is estate planning, okay? They want to simplify their assets and get it ready for the next level of their lives, okay? Meaning have their wills and their trusts. So when they sell their property, they can make everything is smooth. Okay, where all the money goes. Okay, that's called estate planning. Now the question is, why are these types of sellers ideal to work with? Okay, well, these sellers are ideal off-market opportunities. I will share with you the main reasons why in 1 minute. Number two, most of these older sellers are relationship-based sellers, okay? They're not young, looking to buy the next property, want to squeeze every penny. They are relationship-based. Let me tell you a true story. One of our students went to go visit one of these types of sellers and brought his wife and his kids with him. When they met the seller adored our students because it reminded them of their grandkids. Guess what? Those sellers bent over backwards to make sure our students were the buyers of their deal. Okay, they bent over backwards because they valued the relationship more than it did of getting the highest dollar. Okay, commercial real estate, multifamily will always be a relationship-based business. Okay, and lastly, these types of sellers, the silver tsunami sellers, they're not looking to squeeze every dollar out of their property. Okay, they tend to want not to list their properties. They want a smooth, easy transaction so they can enjoy the rest of their lives. Okay, got it? All right. So next, what I want to do is share with you the 3 opportunities that you have right now. Let's do that next. The best time to invest in real estate is always 5 years ago. The next best time is today. Let us mentor you so you can get started investing right now. Click the top corner. All right, last but not least, I want to share with you where the opportunities are, the 3 strategies. Okay. Now, by now, you understand that this huge opportunity rests in the hands of boomers that are ages between 61 and 79-ish, kind of that range, right? 50% of our economy is controlled by boomers. That's where the opportunity is. Right now, here are 3 strategies to capitalize on that. My first strategy was I would find off-market deals, which is our company's specialty, right? So I would basically go direct to the source. Okay, I would go straight to the owner. All of the information to find these owners is public records, so it's available for you if you know how to search for it. It's all there. And again, the reason why I like going direct because there's no middle person to deal with. You're dealing with them directly. Again, this is a relationship-based business, so the more you get to meet with them and talk with them, the better the deal you're going to get. All right, here's my second strategy. I would focus on what I call value add plays. Okay, this is our bread and butter in our company here. So basically, you're going to buy their property, you're going to fix it up, you're going to raise the NOI, and then you're going to force the appreciation. So by the time you're done with these properties, they're worth more, and also cash flow is as well is multiplied. Now, I like this because most of the boomer properties are dated. Okay, they're well kept, they're looked after, but they're dated because they're older people and they're not trying to get to the next level. They've been there and done that already. And most likely because they're dated, the rents are under market, giving you the opportunity to buy it, fix it up, and raise the rents. And guess what? The operations of most of these properties are not optimized. The property management isn't as great. So you're not getting the highest rent and you're not controlling expenses because most times boomers properties, they have no loan or very small loan, so they don't have to really raise the rents as much to cash flow. They would rather keep the rents low and keep all the tenants in there and not disturb the ship. Okay, so we have great value add plays for boomers properties. Okay, thirdly, I would select a niche. Okay, you know me, I'm a big believer in focusing. Okay, so here are 3 niches that I think you can go for right now. First one, if we're looking for boomer properties, I would start off, since you're a beginner, I would start off with small multifamily. Okay, I would do 5 to 12 units, something manageable that you can deal with. You make a mistake, it's a small mistake. There's a whole lot more 5 to 12 units than there are 100 units. Okay, and as a beginner, I don't recommend 100 units anyway. And also too, I would focus on the properties that have been owned by an individual or an LLC of 20 years. Okay, so if you can focus on around 20 years or so, you're going to reach a baby boomer person. Okay, all right. The next niche is senior living units. Did you know that the U.S. we need about 600,000 in the next 5 years to fill the void that's going to be left and created by aging baby boomers. That's huge. 600,000 in this country. So I would look at that. And lastly, 85%, this is a fact, 85% of all mobile home park owners are owned, 85% of all mobile home parks are owned by mom and pop owners, okay? High majorities of these mobile home park owners are boomers, ready to exit. So 85% of them. So that means you're not dealing with the large corporations, the huge equity firms that own mobile home parks. For the most part, high probability you're dealing with a mom and pop owner who is exactly who you want to deal with because they fit exactly into the shift. Got it? All right, everyone. Hey, thank you for hanging out with me this long. If you have, guess what? You are my favorite viewer, and I appreciate you so much. So thank you so much. Hopefully now you understand that you just saw the real estate shift that can't be ignored. Thank you so much, and I'll see you at the next video. Would you like to work with me? Every successful commercial real estate investor has a mentor. Learn more about my Protege program right here.